Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and in today's video I will be sharing with you a party makeup look that I've created. This is how it looks like and I've created this look for my godchild's birthday. So yeah, in case you're interested in watching this, then do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I have prepped my face already. I have moisturized my face and I have also applied a facial oil by Plum Goodness. And now let's get started with the actual makeup. So first I will like to conceal all the spots that I have on my face, and for that I'll be using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade Sand Sable 02. Now I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte plus poreless foundation. This is how it looks, and this one is the pump nozzle one. This one is the pump nozzle one and it is in the shade 115. Now I'll be taking the MyGlamm Lit Collection Radiant Matte Compact. This is how it looks, and my shade is Serving Face, and this is how it looks. So I'm done baking and now I'll move on to do my eye makeup. For that I'll be using the Popexo eyeshadow palette. It's called the Squad Goals and it has 12 eyeshadows in this, and this is how it looks like. Beautiful shades, and it's a beautiful palette. You can blend these colors so well and so affordable, I think for $4.99. I'm trying to do a smoky eye, so I'll be taking the lightest brown here. And I'll just blend that out. Now I'll take the coffee brown that's here in the top corner. Last but not the least, I'll take the black shade and just try to give it a smoky look. So this is the black that I'm going to be taking. Now to give it a slight shimmery touch, I'll be taking the silver shade here, the one that is here, I think, yes, and I'll just lightly keep it over my lids, very slightly. So you can see how pretty it looks. I won't be doing the liner, so I'll go ahead with the kajal, and I'm using the Lakme Iconic, my favorite one always. So there you go, I'm done and I think it looks really perfect. Now I'll be doing my eyelashes with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. You might know this, my favorite product. I'll now fill my eyebrows with the MyGlamm Redefined. This has a high definition brow powder on one side, on the other side it has a liner. I think I won't do the liner because I'm already doing a smoky eye, so I don't just want it, just do the brows. I just love how my eyes look right now, so beautiful, just like how I wanted it to look like. Now I'll be moving on with my face contour, blush and highlight, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics palette, which is the Contour de Force palette in the shade 01 Subtle Submit. Just matches my skin tone. This is how it looks like. and I think for today I'll just do the blush and the highlighter. You can see how beautiful the blush looks. Perfect flush of colors. I really love this palette. It's just perfect for my skin tone. And you can see how beautiful the blush looks, so natural. That's how I like it to be. See, the highlighter as well is so beautiful. Oh my god. Now I'll be doing my lipstick, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in 01 Bold Play. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful pink and it's perfect for any party. So that's it. This is the pink and this is my complete look. I hope you guys like it. Now let me open my hair and show you the final look. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this beautiful and easy makeup look. I really like it, and it's the perfect makeup look for any party, you know, with the pink and the pink lips and the smoky eye look. I really love it and it's my favorite one. So yeah, that's all. Do like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I share a lot of content there as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.